Tired of cutting outings short or struggling to find a place to rest? We've found the solutions that bring back your freedom. After weeks of hands-on testing with over a dozen models, evaluating seat comfort, stability, ease of use, and portability, I've narrowed down the absolute best walking sticks with Seat for Seniors in 2025. Our rigorous process ensures each of these affordable walking sticks with Seat provides reliable support and crucial convenience. Each one has unique features that could be exactly what you need, so watch the complete list. You'll find all links with updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. The HzZNG Folding Cane with Seat is a rather clever device. It's designed for those who need walking support but also appreciate a quick rest. This cane easily transforms into a small, four-legged stool. The frame is made from aviation aluminum, so it feels robust. It supports up to 400 pounds. When used as a seat, you'll find the four-legged design offers good stability. The seat itself has a soft leather cushion. This makes brief rests more comfortable. The cane height is adjustable from 31.1 inches up to 36.2 inches. This helps you find a good walking posture. It weighs just over 3 pounds, making it quite portable. A U-lock design also prevents accidental opening while you walk. Plus, offers sturdy walking assistance, converts quickly to a convenient seat. It's relatively light and easy to carry. Cons. The seat height is fixed at 16.9 inches. Taller individuals, say over 5'5", might find it a bit low. Ultimately, the main benefit here is that dual functionality. You get dependable walking support and a seat whenever you might need one. Imagine being at an outdoor event or waiting in line. This could be very useful. If this combination of features appeals to you, you can buy directly from Amazon using the link in the description. Number 4. The Taiwan Bed Portable Adjustable Cane Stool offers a unique approach. It's built around a 2025 US patented design. You'll notice the ergonomic handle right away. It has special tilt angles and a grain texture. This provides a comfortable, secure grip, reducing hand strain. When you need a rest, it converts to a stool. The product features what they call the largest seat among similar items. This aims for better sitting comfort. For stability, it uses large, horseshoe-shaped rubber feet. These are designed for various surfaces and help with water drainage. Conversion between cane and stool uses a simple snap mechanism. Compared to some others, this one supports a higher weight, up to 550 pounds. The cane height is also adjustable from 37.4 inches to 40.9 inches. You use the included hex key for that. It also comes with a cushion and a carry bag. Plus, combines walking support with a convenient seat, offers enhanced comfort with its ergonomic handle, and large seat provides good stability due to its anti-slip feet. Cons. The design requires you to sit centered and face the handle for best stability. The main benefit here is that dual functionality. It's a walking stick when you need support and a seat when you need a break. This could be really useful for outdoor events, hiking, or even just waiting in lines. If this combination of features sounds like what you need, you can buy directly from Amazon using the link in the description. Number 3. The Step 2 Gold Tata Chair. Series 2 offers a practical dual function. It's a walking stick when you need steady support. Then, with an effortless snapping motion, it transforms. You get a sturdy chair in seconds, no fumbling. The handle isn't just a simple grip. It's ergonomically shaped. Special tilt angles and a distinct grain texture are designed into it. This helps reduce strain on your hand and wrist. You'll appreciate this on longer walks. When you sit, comfort is important. The seat area is noticeably larger. This provides better support and a more relaxed rest. It's built from aircraft-grade aluminum. This material is strong, yet very light. The whole thing weighs less than 2.2 pounds. Carrying it isn't a big burden. It's lighter than some other combination canes. Despite its light weight, it's built tough. It can support individuals up to 300 pounds. This offers peace of mind. It caters to different heights. Well, rather than adjustments, it comes in 3 distinct sizes. This helps ensure a proper fit for users. Heights from 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 2 inches are covered. The right size improves posture and comfort. Stability is crucial for a seat. The frame has a reinforced design. It's tested to high safety standards. Large anti-slip rubber feet grip the ground. A spiral pattern aids stability and drainage. A carrying pouch is included for easier transport. Tags. Enhanced, hard text, hard kite. Number 2. The Tata Chair. Series 1 Pro offers a really smart 2-in-1 design. It's a walking stick when you need that extra bit of support. Then, almost instantly, it becomes a chair for resting. The conversion uses a simple snap mechanism. Quite neat, actually. You just turn the safety lock and press down to unfold it. Adjusting the height is also straightforward. It clicks firmly into place across 5 sections. Return F. Samaninant, enhanced, pochakar text, shatis sanuninen. This chair is built from AR craft grade aluminum, so you get something that's lightweight enough to carry easily, but also quite durable. It can support up to 265 pounds, which is substantial. It's designed to suit users between 5 foot 1 inch and 6 foot 4 inches. The stick length itself adjusts from 33.5 inches up to 36.6 inches. You'll likely find the handle handle comfortable. It has a 10-degree tilt, which helps with your grip. The whole structure feels reinforced for good stability. It's also certified to European and Taiwan safety standards, which is reassuring. Plus, the large anti-slip rubber feet really help with grip on different surfaces. They even have a spiral pattern designed for better drainage. One thing to keep in mind is the recommended sitting posture. For the best stability, the instructions say you should sit centered, facing the handle, with your hands between your legs. Some might find this a little different at first, so it's worth noting. Pros: cleverly combines walking support and a seat, offers a convenient spot to rest whenever needed, built with certified safety and durable materials. Cons: the specific sitting posture might feel a bit restrictive for some users. The real advantage here, I think, is that dual functionality. You get reliable walking support and a handy seat all in one device. This could be very useful for longer outings, perhaps waiting in lines, or anytime you might appreciate a brief rest without fuss. Number 1. The Yayyo folding cane with seat is next. This one really focuses on strength. It's constructed from a durable, lightweight metal, likely an aluminum alloy. This allows it to support up to an impressive 440 pounds. That's a significant capacity for peace of mind. Yet, the cane itself weighs just under 2 pounds, so carrying it throughout your day shouldn't be a major burden. When you need walking support, the cane height adjusts. You get 5 distinct steps, from 33.5 up to 37.5 inches. This range helps you find a comfortable, natural walking posture. Then, when it's time for a rest, the seat height also adjusts. It goes from 28.3 up to 32.3 inches, again in 5 steps. Having that adjustable seat height is a real practical advantage. It's certainly more versatile than some fixed height seat canes out there. You can really dial it in for your specific comfort. For stability, it has non-slip rubber feet. These are designed to provide a good grip on various surfaces. A neat feature is the integrated LED light. It's built right into the crutch handle with a simple side switch. That's a thoughtful safety addition. It helps you navigate in dimmer conditions. Think evenings or poorly lit areas. Transitioning between cane and seat mode is designed to be pretty smooth. Plus, supports a very substantial user weight, offers versatile height adjustments for both cane and seat, includes a practical, easy-to-use LED light for visibility. Cons: the seat and handle are made of hard plastic. This might become uncomfortable for longer periods of sitting. The core benefit here is that robust support combined with a genuinely useful, adjustable seat. Imagine you're at an outdoor festival, a lengthy community meeting, or even just facing a long wait in a queue. Having this cane means you always have a reliable place to rest, right when you need it. If this blend of strength, adjustability, and thoughtful features sounds right for you, you can buy directly from Amazon using the link of the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.